Welcome to ICT University. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of display technologies, shedding light on the various illumination methods used in flat screens, be it standalone monitors or the screens within laptops. We'll also delve into the fascinating world of inverters, but we'll get to that in a moment. First on our illuminating journey is the Cold Cathode Fluorescent Light, commonly known as CCFL. This technology finds its place in LCD monitors, neon signs, and even within custom gaming systems' inner sanctum. LCD monitors rely on CCFL because they don't inherently emit their own light. They need an additional light source, and that's where the CCFL steps in. Picture it as a miniaturized version of the standard fluorescent lights you'd find in an office building's ceiling. While CCFL is a necessity for LCD screens, it adds extra weight and power consumption because it requires an inverter to operate. In essence, LCD screens tend to weigh a bit more due to the inclusion of an inverter and also consume more power. As for the light itself, it's a scaled-down fluorescent tube that provides adequate illumination without raising the ambient temperature significantly. This helps prevent overheating and potential damage to other components. The number of CCFLs required depends on the screen size. Smaller screens can make do with a single CCFL, coupled with a diffuser to ensure even light distribution. These CCFLs are typically positioned at the top or bottom of the screen, with larger screens potentially featuring more than two, possibly on both sides. Keep in mind, for each CCFL you add, you'll need another inverter. The inverter is named so because it converts DC power, like that from a laptop battery, into AC power, which the CCFL requires. More CCFLs and inverters result in increased weight and higher ambient temperatures, which manufacturers account for to ensure safe operation. It's crucial to consider this when assessing a unit for servicing. For many modern screens, LED, light-emitting diode, has stolen the spotlight, surpassing CCFL as the leading illumination technology. LEDs are semiconductor devices that emit visible light when an electric current flows through them. LEDs have become the gold standard for most monitors and laptop screens, and you'll encounter this term in various applications. LED offers several advantages, starting with its significantly lower power requirements, as it doesn't necessitate an inverter, reducing weight. LEDs are highly efficient, producing minimal heat, which ensures a prolonged lifespan and excellent light quality. As technology evolves, so do the methods behind our screen's illumination. Stay tuned for more tech insights and tutorials from ICT University. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all your tech-related needs.